How do I make this? This is the size. This is a cotton fabric, a 5 cm double shape. I apply in the inner side of the fabric. Take the white cover and then cover it with the other fabric. Press it gently to make it fully stick. This is the clip template. Make a trace just with dots and then cut it through the trace with wavy scissor. The link is below if you want to have. This is a special wavy scissor for fabric. Then I cut the stiff felt. Then I cut about 1 cm from one end and insert the back part of the shorter part through this stiff felt. I put the fabric to cover the front of the clip. Put a glue in this part and press it gently and move to other part. Put the glue here, don't put too much. Press it gently. It's done. Here how it looks, very neat and beautiful. Thank you so much for watching and hope you get benefits from this tutorial. Have a nice day.